What's up, guys? This is, well, you already know my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys my room. So this is like a tour of my room, okay? So here it goes. And this is my super big smart TV. My Xbox. Wi-Fi connection thingy with my zombie. My cupboard thing. My Lego table. Loads of Lego. Beanie Boos. Beanie Boos. Jewelry box. This tent thing. This is my bed. This is where I do like drawing and stuff and my controller. Yeah. So, that's my room. Hope you like that little mini video. Okay, bye.